open a Word document and write the email how you want it to look. Leave spaces for where you're going to put people's names in or anything else that you're going to add in. So, hi, thanks for reading my email. Best wishes, Claire. Then you'll need to add any signature, any footer that you would usually have on an email. You'd need to add it in here. So we'll just put footer info there. Okay, then we go to mailings. Select recipients. And I've got a spreadsheet with a list. So I'll use an existing list. And it's there. Okay. So I can now insert a merge field. So first name, and let's preview. Oh, there we go. It's not a very usual name. I just did some real messing about. So first name, thanks for reading my email, best wishes Claire, and then my footer information. So how am I going to send this as an email? Finish and merge, send email messages. I need to choose which field it's going to pick up for the email address. So email address. We can send them all, or we can send just a selection of them. And the subject line will be thanks. I do OK. And that's going to try and send those emails. And that's it. Or you can start a new list like that. Or when you go to use an existing list, you can open up any Excel spreadsheet. So let me know if that's helpful. Let me know if you've tried it and if it works.